everyone, welcome back to the Paul Mitchell YouTube channel. I'm Jessica. For today's video, I will be sharing with you 2 styles to spruce up your everyday updos. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload any hair tutorials or anything Paul Mitchell related. Be sure to hit that sub button down below, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. All right, style 1. This is perfect for those of you who love to style a low ponytail. My hair is on day 3 or 4 of not being washed, so you can kind of, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is a little dirty, a little greasy, but this is the perfect time to do this style when you don't want to fully commit to something slick back or adding too much product in your hair. This one is also for you. Jumping right in, we're gonna go in with the Invisible Wear Brunette Dry Shampoo on the top of my hair just to absorb any of the oils I do have. Obviously, you can tell that I'm brunette, but we also have the Invisible Wear Blonde Dry Shampoo, and we also carry dry wash as well if you're looking into dry shampoo. So just wanted to throw that one out there. So it's been sitting there, and I just kind of work through my fingers just so it absorbs extra. The beauty about this style is you don't really need to do any other product. You could if you want to do hairspray, but since my only concern was the oiliness on top of my head, that's what I wanted to take care of. So this style is actually 2 ponytails disguised into 1. You can go one of which ways, so you can do clear elastics or you can do just your regular hair ties. For the first ponytail, I'm going to use the clear elastic. So what I do is let me turn over to the side. This is as if you're doing a half up, half down look, except you're kind of grabbing a little bit more. So I do about this much. I'm just gonna brush through right here. So you're gonna go ahead and tie that ponytail. You're gonna have a loose hand with it. You don't wanna tighten it too much because we're gonna separate it down the center and tuck your ponytail into it and bring it through and let it hang. So that is your first ponytail. You're going to just ignore that ponytail and you're going to do the same thing with the bottom half. You're gonna tie it, kind of do a loose ponytail, and then let it sit. So this next part is gonna sound a little bit confusing, but I promise you it's way easier than it sounds. So you're gonna repeat the same step, except you're going to bring that bottom ponytail through the center of that first ponytail. You might need to use your hand to kind of pull it through the bottom, and once you do that and it's nice and tucked through, it kind of creates that effortless twist to your hair. And once you're there, you can kind of pull through any hairs you'd like to make it like a little bit more piecey to your liking. You can brush through and kind of slick back your hair. I'm not gonna really brush it through, but just imagine that. And then you have this nice tuck through in the back. And you can tighten it, you can pull things through and kind of mess with it, and it's super simple and easy and makes your hair just a little bit more effortless. So that's one effortless way to do it. You can also pull out your bangs if you prefer, so it looks a little bit more messy and piecier, which I love because it looks, you know, simple in the front but a little bit more elegant in the back. Super delicate and romantic. I love it. So for this next one, I'm just putting my hair up in a high ponytail. Nothing too crazy here, so I'm just gonna skip right through this. For this one, I'm just using the Soft Style Super Clean Light just to kind of put all my hairs into place. And once you have your ponytail, you're gonna want to separate your hair into 2 pieces like this. And what I like to do is I grab my Super Clean Light and just kind of spray it and start teasing just sections little by little. It's okay if it looks messy right now. I don't do too much teasing. I just wanted to give it a little bit extra oomph. Okay. So now that that is teased, you're gonna wanna just kind of twist them And it's going to be messy, but that's what we're going for. This is like your perfect little bun. And then you get your bobby pins and you start pinning away. I personally like to leave some hairs out to do a little bit of like spikes sitting back so you can kind of see how it's this perfect, effortless, messy bun. The more you tease it, the more you kind of pull things through, you can do it to your liking. If you ever wondered how models or people get that perfect updo, that effortless updo, this is a good trick to do that in one step. So just put it up as a ponytail, how I did, and then do those 2 strands and then cross them over and pin them into place. Probably my #1 tip that I give to my friends, or when they ask me, how do you do such an easy, effortless updo? Literally, all I do is ponytail and then pin my hair into place. I also like doing this. It makes it look a little bit more, I don't want to say fancy, but luxe. I'm feeling very 80s and 90s with the hair flip over. You can play around with your bang situation. My bangs are really long. I actually want to go get them cut because these are my bangs. So long. Anyway, really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Comment down below which style you will be trying first. Again, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below for anything Paul Mitchell, hair tutorials. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.